Hello, this is Vindictive. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to upload files to the Uploader website. I will also explain some features and options when uploading information. Okay, let's get started. First thing you'll need to do is to navigate to the Uploader website. You can do this either by going to the forums and clicking the Uploader link on the side, or by going to www.uuguild.com/uploader. If you haven't activated or changed your uploader password, I would suggest you view the tutorial regarding account activation and password email resets prior to continuing. Once at the uploader site, you'll want to log in with your username, your WoW in-game name, and the password you created. I say again, if you haven't activated or changed your password from the default password of UUU Guild, I suggest viewing the password changing tutorial found within this same forum. At the top, you're going to click on Upload. On the next screen, you'll have some options. The Add More Upload fields, seen here, will allow you to add more upload fields to your uploading. Watch as I click, the number of fields expands down. This is useful if you have several screenshots you'd like to upload. On the left side, you'll see some upload options. Under the first drop-down box listed Upload To, you will have an option to select different folders. Here you can see I have created a folder called Screenshots. If you have no folders created, your upload file will go to the main screen and look similar to what you saw when I first logged in. Under that drop-down box, you will see File Exists options. These are basically options that allow you to select what to do if the file that you're uploading already exists. As you can see, you have skip, rename, and overwrite. I'm sure you can figure out what each of these do. Under this drop-down box, you have a create image tags. The image tag is what the forums use to show image. Any link found within the image tag will be a link to the image, and I'll explain that more in a few seconds. Under that, you will see a create thumbnails. This is useful if your file is grossly oversized for the forum. If you take a screenshot of WoW and use a larger resolution, it will be a good idea to use this option. What it does is create a small scale duplicate of the image. The scale is roughly 25% of the normal picture size and allows the member viewing your posted picture to see what they're clicking before they click it. I will explain this feature in better detail here in a few moments. For this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and click it. Under that field is the maximum file size that is allowed and the file types. I have a block on any file that I think could be copyrighted material. These files include MP3s, AVIs, MPEGs, MPGs, and so on. This is to protect all of us, and I'd appreciate it if you would not try to circumvent this measure. If you would like a file type added, please let me know and I will consider and possibly add it, depending on what it is. Okay, on to actually uploading. You're going to want to click on the Browse button. This will open a box that allows you to peruse your computer looking for the file you'd like to upload. Here I'm going to select some random Windows Vista sample picture. Once you find it, select Open. This will propagate the field with the location of the file on your computer. Continue this step until you have selected all the files you wish to upload. Remember, you can add more than 3 initial fields by clicking on the Add More Upload fields at the top. Also, please note this current file restriction is set to 2 megabytes. This means that if all the files you're trying to upload exceeds 2 megabytes, you will not be able to upload them and be forced to upload the files separately as needed. Once you have all the files you'd like to upload, click Upload Files. Depending on the number of pictures, their sizes, and your internet speed, it could take a while to do this, so be patient. Once it is done, you will see a box showing how to add your picture for a forum post. What is great about Uploader is all you need to do to include this file in a post is copy and paste all of that gibberish into a forum. There are some added options, and I will explain these momentarily. For the sake of this tutorial though, I will forego an explanation of the links at the top above this display box. Once you copy your text, go to the website. Here you can create a random post or whatever post you're looking to create. Include any amount of text you like as well as a subject. I'm going to use random text here. Once you have all the text you want, post your picture. It's going to look a little funny. Due to how the uploader actually displays the URL and image files, they have spaces. The problem with this is in BB code, any space you put in is actually interpreted as a space on the actual post. So in order to make this look the way we want it to, you have to eliminate all these posts. So you can just keep hitting delete until your image file and all your tags are in line. Go down here and we'll get rid of that. So now as you can see, even though our line is really long, this is everything you need to upload or to show that picture. And I'll explain each part. This is the URL tag in BB code. What the URL tag does is similar to what you see as links on websites. What this is actually doing is creating a link to the full-size picture of the file we just uploaded. Listed inside of this link is the actual picture. What that URL does is create a clickable image file of our thumbnailed picture, and then here are the closing tags. Those will be added automatically. Once you have all that information, you can add whatever text you like after it. Once you have included the images you want, and as many times as you want in the post, click on the preview button. This will allow you to see the actual layout of your post. Here you can see what I mean by a clickable picture. Here our picture is scaled down roughly 25%. When clicked, this shows the entire picture in full scale. Once you're satisfied with your post, click on Submit. You can now view your post with your picture. If you need to edit something, you can click the Edit button located somewhere on your post. Here it's located in my upper right corner. This will allow you to edit anything you need. Say if you were to forget the L and URL, you could go back and fix that. Click Submit to submit your picture again. Keep in mind, however, your actual forum may look slightly different. I'm using the Phi Black 3D Blue template, so your edit button may not be located in the upper right. I hope you've been able to follow along with my tutorial. Please stay tuned for additional uploader tutorials for the future.